Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So sometimes we go to a beautiful place and take the best possible picture. But later on we found out that the image is blurry. Then we wish if we could fix the blurry image, and that's where Aiarty Image Enhancer tool comes in. It is a generative image enhancer software that automatically upscales, deblurs, denoise and restore photos while generating realistic details using cutting edge AI models. So without further ado, let's dive in and see how to use Aiarty to enhance the quality of any image. To access this tool, just click on the link in the description and you will land on this page. Here you see a neat and clean interface. Aiarty Image Enhancer with its latest model 3.9 can be the best choice for face restoration, SRD to HRD conversion, multiple export formats and AI eraser. Here you can see an example image. You can see that this tool has upscaled the image. You can also remove noise from your images, as you can see here in the given image. Using this tool you can also add details to your images, and here you see multiple models based on your needs. It has 4 models that we'll be discussing in today's video. Now let's install the application and open it. This is the interface. Here we see some existing images in the application. Here we have the hardware as CPU and GPU. In the models we have these options. As discussed above, we will choose the model depending on our image type. Here we have the option of upscale. I usually keep it at 2K for better results. Then we have the color feature, which means that our old photos can be colorized using Aiarty. We have the option of facial restoration here. Then we have HDR option as well. And after that, we have the AI eraser, and finally, we have the option to add text to our image as well. Let me upload an image to this tool. I'm uploading an old photo and the model here is More Detail GAN V3. We'll keep 2K as upscale and we'll enable the color option here. I can increase or decrease the temperature, exposure, contrast, saturation, etc. from here. The next feature is the face restoration. I will enable it and within a moment, changes will be applied to my image. Here you can see that the image is more clear now. In the image restoration feature, I have the option to keep the AI model as fidelity or rebuild. Let me try rebuild, and you see there is slight change in my image. I would go with fidelity now. Then I have 2 options in blend mode, routine overlay and gradient overlay. Let's try both and see the difference. Then I'll go with routine overlay. After that we can enable the HDR mode. In a moment it will be applied. We can select the AI models from neutral, bright and graded. This is how the image looks in neutral, this is how it looks in bright, and this is how it looks in graded. I will choose the bright option as it seems more realistic to me, and then decrease the strength a bit to make it slightly less shining. Then I can use the option of eraser as well. I can select it and then select the part of the image I want to remove. I'll click apply and then finish to blend the part with the background of the image. In a while, here you see my erased part has been blended with my image now. I can also add a text if I want to, but in this image, I'm not interested in adding any text. So here you see that any possible noise has been removed by this tool, blurred parts are adjusted and quality is tremendously increased. After everything is done, then I can export any image and this is how the final view looks like. Now keeping all the other settings same, I applied all these models on this image and these were the results I gained. It shows that more or less all the models work well in removing any available noise, increasing sharpness and clarity, and increasing the quality. But if you use the dedicated models for each photo as we discussed above, then you will get awesome results. About export, you also need to know that you can export or batch export as well. You also get the option to export your photos in AIGC format now. For a second example, I'll select a low resolution image of a teddy bear. Since this image is better suited for AIGC V3 model, therefore I'll choose this one. I'll keep the same settings as before and just change the model to AIGCsmooth V3. And within some time, Aiarty will enhance the quality of my image. Before exporting, I can adjust anything if I want to change. And I can also erase any element using AI eraser. If everything is okay, then click export and this is the result of the image. You can compare both images before and after. Let's try another image, this time with unfocused faces. I'll upload the image and here you see the faces are not clear. For this type of image, I'll choose Real Photo V3 model. I've kept the same settings and after a while, you see our image is ready. Here is the result. You can zoom in and see the comparison. And here you can see the before and after comparison. It is very effective. And in this model, you also need to know that you can increase the resolution only up to 2K. Now let me change the model and select the resolution at 8K, and in a moment, my image with 8K resolution would be ready and here you can see the result. So that's how you can use Aiarty to increase the quality of your images. Click on the link in the description, try this tool for free and figure out why is this considered one of the best AI image enhancer tool in 2026. So that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and until next one, goodbye and take care.